Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we covered up to pattern number 25. In today's session, we will talk about pattern number 26. What is this pattern? Something like in this style I want. Okay, something like in this style I want. You can see here in the first row, we have 1 star. In the second row, we have 2 stars. Like this we have, but the same process again I need to continue. So here I need 5 stars. Next I need only 4 stars. Next I need only 2 stars. Next I need only 3 stars, 2 stars. Next 1 star. Like this I want to display. This is nothing but the style what I want. Okay. How we can able to do this? Program is the same almost. The only modification is nothing but you need to make another copy. It is printing the data from 1 to 6 rows, right? Now, what we have to do? You need to repeat the content from 6 to 0. 6 to 0, step value is -1. So that what will happen? We are getting like. But here we have 2 rows are there with the same number of stars. If you want to eliminate one value, just we are going to take 5. So that what will happen? We are going to get a perfect stars like this. This is the way how we can able to fill our requirement, like to display the pattern like this. I think you got very clear clarity about these particular programs, right? Thank you guys.